Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ayra. Today I'm going to tell you Goldilocks. Once upon a time, there's a girl named Goldilocks. She had golden hair, and one day she go to a walk, and she saw the house, and she knocked at the door, and nobody's there. And she saw 3 porridges. This porridge is too hot. This porridge is too cold. This porridge is just right. And she ate it all up. Goldilocks feel tired. This chair's too big. This chair's too big too. This chair's just right. But the chair broke. And Goldilocks feels sleepy. This bed is too big. This bed is too hard. This bed is too soft. This bed is just right. And soon the bears come home. Someone eaten my porridge, said Daddy Bear. Someone eaten my porridge, said Mommy Bear. Someone eaten my porridge and it's all gone, said Baby Bear. Someone sat in my chair, said Daddy Bear. Someone sat in my chair, said Mommy Bear. Someone sit in my chair and it's broken, said Baby Bear. Someone sleep in my bed, said Daddy Bear. Someone sleep in my bed, said Mommy Bear. Someone sleep in my bed, and she's still there, said Baby Bear. And soon Goldilocks said, and she said, help, help. And she ran away, and she don't come any day. Jazakallah khaira.